Welcome to this sign-up tutorial for the Primat.ca web platform. Step 1. Creating your account. To log in for the first time, go to Primat.ca and access the client area. Then, click on Create a new account. Fill out the form with your personal information, first name, last name, and email address. Choose a password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Check the box I accept the terms of use if you agree with them, then proceed to the next step. Step 2. Email verification. A verification email will be sent to you. Check your inbox, and don't forget to look in your spam folder. Click on the link in the email to confirm your registration. Step 3. SMS verification. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected to a second verification step via SMS. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. You'll receive a 6-digit code via text message. Enter the code in the designated fields. Once the code is validated, you'll automatically proceed to the next step. Step 4. Billing information. Final step. Enter your billing information, including your legal and trade name, your complete address. Once everything is filled out, click Save. Congratulations, your account is now created. You can now access the Primat.ca application